Hey Junk Monkeys, Banana Bunch family, how is everybody out there doing? It's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company, and it's Saturday. Whoop whoop! What's everybody getting into today? Let me know what you've been working on. Did you pick up a good project this past week, perhaps, that you want to DIY, paint, make beautiful? Can I tell you already today, even before I had my coffee today, I actually got to hit 2 yard sales. I went to Walmart. I needed some heavy whipping cream for my coffee. On the way back, I passed a yard sale, pulled into my driveway, and then realized there was another yard sale just like a house down. So I went down to there, met my new neighbors, awesome neighbors, and then went back to the house to have the coffee and realized that I left the heavy whipping cream in a bag at Walmart. Has anybody ever done that before, where you leave and you have multiple bags and somehow, some way, of course, the one thing that you really need for your coffee, because you guys know I like a little coffee with my cream, so I tend to put a lot in. So then I had to go back to Walmart again and pick that up and come back. So anyway, now I'm ready to start my day. Who joined me last night on DIY with Home Talk? You can find them on Facebook. They are the world's largest online DIY community, and I'm honored to be able to be working with them, collaborating with them. And I'm super excited to be able to announce and to have my own paint show right on their platform with Home Talk. So I'm pretty happy about that, guys. Oh my goodness. It's exciting. I just tell people that I do what I do. Whatever happens along the way, happens along the way. I just know that I love what I do, and I'm so happy that years ago I just decided to start turning on the camera and showing other people and bringing people along as I did projects. And I know you guys, so many of you guys have written in and told me just how it's been life-changing for you guys, and I don't want to stop. And so this is just another opportunity, another way to connect with more painting loving friends. I have met the most beautiful, amazing friends online. Oh my goodness. So last night kicked off day 1 of 7 pieces of furniture that I'm gonna be flipping over on Home Talk. Did you see it? It was a desk. And I woke up, ironically, you know, this is just how the furniture gods smile upon you. I woke up yesterday morning, I said to Matt, even out loud, I said, you know, I need to like find myself a vanity, like a beauty vanity. Never had one growing up. Did you have one growing up? And I painted and been commissioned to paint many different vanities for different people, young and old. And you know, the teens love their vanities nowadays. Done some really funky colors. I found some beautiful old vintage ones. I look back now and go, man, if I only had kept that, I would have totally used that in my house now. But you don't know what you don't know. So here I am today, and I woke up yesterday. I said, I think now's the time. I want a makeup vanity. I sit on my floor. I do the makeup in front of my 2 sliding doors, my closet sliding doors. And I'm like, I'm gonna get myself off the floor, and I'm actually gonna get it organized with my makeup instead of having to like root around my little bag every single morning. And yesterday I went to the Salvation Army. You know that one that I showed you guys in the vlog? I'm like, oh look, it is so big, and I panned the camera and you can see how far the building went back. Well, I got to go there yesterday morning. In fact, I took my camera with me. I took you guys with me. I'll show you. This is a little glimpse of what I found inside, and I was pleasantly surprised. They had a lot of stuff. Snagged a bunch of pieces, guys. I got a ton of pieces. Met Ralph, the load up guy. Now we're best buddies, all is well. And last night, for my first furniture flip over on DIY with Home Talk on the Facebook page, go back if you missed it, I basically started the flip and pretty much completed it. It's probably about 90%, 95%, because today I'm gonna go back down to the garage, to my art room, my art studio, my DIY studio, and just finish her off, and then I can move her into my room. I've already called her a her because she's beautiful. She's beautiful, and we put some really pretty pattern onto her. I'll show you the napkins that I used. I did a combination of paint and pretty papers, and we put our black velvet on, and then we used some gorgeous napkins that you guys actually sent into me. So let's go ahead, finish her off, and then my son doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to wake him up and say, Mom needs your help. And we're gonna get that into my room. We're gonna do that right here in the vlog today. And then we can figure out which mirror we want to put with it. But it was an awesome desk flip into a vanity, a makeup vanity. You know, if the piece of furniture works for you, you can envision it to be whatever the heck you want. We put her in a classy black dress. Of course, we used her black velvet here. And I love how she looks. Love, like, the distressing. It came out so nice. I'm gonna grab my sand block now, and I'm basically going to finish her up and finish off, you know, like the last little bit when you work on a piece, just your touch-ups and little extra things that just make her polished and all come together. So we had to let our Mod Podge dry, of course, because as it dries, it sucks in, it shows whatever color's below it. So this is the color of the desk before. Now I'm gonna distress all these edges again and really just maybe rip a few little pieces off and to bring it all together. I also want to make sure I put on that second coat of poly because remember, I'm going to be using this for a makeup vanity desk, and so makeup is messy. So it's going to be definitely need to be wiped. This is why for something like this, I'm going to lean towards using our banana peel top coat poly because it's wipeable. It's just basically with all the use it's going to get, it's going to need some extra protection, right? So this is the type of pieces that I select for a good candidate for the poly. So guys, I'm so excited because today was the day I needed mirrors and some options I wanted to look at, and I kid you not, I went to Walmart to look at mirrors. I couldn't find anything around here in the local thrift stores other than just kind of like plain wood ones, and I really wanted something a little bit more ornate. And I kid you not, on the drive home, these two appeared on the side of the road, both for $5 right here. So I'm like, girl, I will run and grab $5 and come right back. I also ended up buying a dresser as well, which we'll redo together. Oh my goodness. All right, so let me finish cleaning them up and we'll get them upstairs. Okay guys, we are in the bedroom and we're gonna figure out, we're gonna do like a parade of mirrors here. I've got one, the one that I mentioned that I found at Walmart. I thought I wanted to see what it would look like with a bit of a modern kind of look to it. We also got these two gorgeous ones. So this one was $20, just to kind of put it all in perspective for you. These were two for $5. Hello. Hello, my darling. Oh, love it. And if this doesn't work out, remember, we got the receipt. The other thing is, this is one that I found when I was at another junk store, and I loved it. It's kind of just all like really pieced together. It looks like there's some maybe wallpaper that got painted on it. I love it. I love the like little fins onto it. So it really would make it ornate. So let's go ahead. We'll put them all up and we'll see which looks best. All right, we've got mirror number 1 in place. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm gonna need your opinion. Comment below and help me figure out the best mirror to put in place here, what your thoughts are. So I kind of like how, you know, ornate this one looks, and it has white. Feels very vintagey, very, very curvy on the top. Down here, we've got distressed white in our napkin. So we got white. Let's say I add one more white thing. I'm just kind of grabbing this from in my room. But the moment I put like one more white thing, because remember, things of 3, your eye loves continuing patterns. So we got white, and we've got like white down here. What do you guys think? This is a vote for number 1, white mirror. And of course, I got to put all my, you know, get some nice pretty things to put around here, maybe some wall art. That would be gorgeous. Okay, here we are with number 2. So this is the modern one that's currently available right now over at Wally World. So it would definitely give it a modern edge and go and keep with the square of the piece. So we really wouldn't be emphasizing any of the curviness of it. Rather, it will keep it modern, sleek. What do you guys think? What do you think? Do you already have a favorite? It's interesting when you put like pieces together, you can see the difference, right? So that could be cool. That could be cool. Remember, bins of brushes, all that sort of stuff. All right, you ready for number 3? And if this is for a vote for number 2, will you put it in the comments below? Number 2 is the modern one from Walmart. And now we've got number 3, which is the 2 for $5 I found when I was out yard sailing this morning. Can I tell you something? I paid less, so basically $2.50 for this mirror, because remember, I have 2, but I paid the least amount for this, and it feels the heaviest. Like, this is definitely bang for my buck. I love that beveled edge right here as well. So what do you guys think of this one? This one has like a goldy, brassy, definitely plays up with the wood because you can see all the warm wood that kind of comes through all the napkins that we laid down on here. So what do you think of this one? This is number 3. And I guess we could definitely take the sold sign off of it, right? Let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna stand here and figure out which one of these mirrors are actually gonna go onto this piece. And if you want to see the rest of the room, look for the vlog where I gave you a quick bedroom tour as it's all coming together. You guys know that I do have a fireplace here in my room, and you saw that it is brass on it, so I could keep with this look and maybe it would blend in. So give me your comments below. I want your opinion. And actually this would be, oh, I could also turn it, oh, I just had an idea. What would it look like if I turned it the other way instead of vertical, did horizontal? Although when it's this way, you can really see yourself, right? But let's try that real quick. Okay, I just put it this way so I could see as well. I think I kind of like it up the other way. What do you guys think? Definitely up the other way. And a quick tip for anybody out there that is looking for the most amazing moisturizer, and if you're like me where you just break out with everything, I have to tell you, because friends don't keep secrets from friends, it has just absolutely been amazing. I've been trying this past week, and I typically have dry skin and also, like I said, very sensitive. This has been amazing. I put this on every night before bed, and I also put it on right before I put on my makeup, and my skin has never felt so good in such a long time on my face. Anyway, passing that along. I figure if I could do one thing every day to make this house beautiful, it will all come together. And it feels like I've already done so much with just being in this house just for like the last 4 weeks. I'm loving how it feels, and I'm loving getting out and junking and thrifting, meeting new people, and just hauling their stuff back to my house, doing it on a dime. And I love hanging out with you guys. Hopefully it's given you some inspiration. Have you been like me and just always dreamed of having like a little space to be able to hold your makeup, just a place to sit and get your hair ready in the morning, put yourself together, drink your coffee? Man, it's a whole new world. So I am going to clean this sucker really, really well, maybe lay down some liners in the drawers and go grab myself, I feel a trip to the Dollar Tree coming on, for some organizers to put in the drawer. You know what I'm saying? If you've seen any, let me know below where I can get some for a good deal. And then I promise you tomorrow on the vlog, I'll give you kind of where I am, and I'll watch in the comments to see what you vote for and see if I pick the mirror. And we are totally on the same vibe. Can't wait to get all my stuff on here. And I have an Epsi bag that I need to open. Oh man, I'm gonna have so much fun just putting everything together. No more sitting on the floor over there doing my makeup. It's a whole new world. Friends, if you have not already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my daily vlog, to my channel here. That is the bee's knees when you hit the subscribe button. It actually allows me to be able to continue to make full-time content for you guys, and you guys are telling me that you love the daily videos. Give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I'm waiting. What was your favorite mirror? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? All right, let's hear what you say. See you tomorrow. Bye.